So this is the JSOT solar light for outdoors, and this is great for landscaping. In this case, I picked up the warm light because that's what I want for my situation. And I just tried one by the steps, pretty far away from the house, and I illuminated the house pretty well with it. But the best part was I illuminated under the big red oak tree that I have in the front yard, and lighting a tree from underneath at night. I just think it's pretty cool. So this is just one light. I can't wait to strategically place the others around it because this is actually a 4-pack and it's a great value. It's sturdy. It lasts a long time and a really super bright light. I think you'll be happy with it like I am.